The story dates back to December 2017, when I am getting back home from a long day at office, worried about my immediate future. What did I do wrong? Why my year-end review had to be so bad? Is doing all tasks proactively isn't enough? Is taking care of testing requirements of entire product isn't enough? Is being QA manager responsible for 20 members' work isn't good enough? I go to sleep with same thoughts on my mind. January 2018. Goal setting meeting for next year. My manager pulls out a list of impossible tasks to set them as my goals. Launch a rocket tomorrow, get to the Mars by March, and whatnot. He goes on and on. And right when I think he is done with his list, he pulls out his last bullet. As you know, we are working on 10 years old desktop application. We need a wholesome automation testing solution for our application. We need something which can test both desktop and web-based application, could handle complex scenarios. We should not be doing any infra changes and we should be doing all this at low cost, could upload imaging documents to and from the application, could validate PDF text against the data in the application, and could do field-to-field validations between the desktop and web-based application. As if it's not enough, he doesn't stop there. We need something which can handle the live ServiceNow tickets as well. In short, I am getting you fired this year. That's what I could interpret from that meeting. The first thing I could think of right after the meeting was to call my close friend and ask him for a drink in the evening. My boss wants to get me fired, man, were my first few words when I met my friend in the evening. By the end of our second round, he knew my entire story. I was sure enough that all of these qualities could not be found in a single tool, and my boss knew it very well. To my surprise, luckily, my friend had a solution for my problem. He happened to know a tool which could do it all. Actually, according to him, we were looking at a perfect use case for RPA UiPath solution. I started exploring this new exciting field of RPA right from the next day. February 2018. Firing season in our organization. We are somehow dodging all the bullets being fired from all the directions to us. He got fired. She is also gone, are the only topics for our discussions. See you tomorrow if we both survive. That was the way we were saying goodbyes to each other. Just when my boss is in front of me with all his bad intentions, my 1 month long research pays off. I somehow prove useful. I present this RPA UiPath solution to my management, and as I get to know, it's not only one-stop solution for all our automation needs, it's also a business process automation tool. It can take care of lot of other things beside automation testing. Excel automation, data manipulation, user interface automation, Citrix virtual environment automation, and whatnot. You name it and it has it. I'm happy that I could convince my management to go for RPA UiPath tool, and rest is history. And it satisfies all our needs. Everybody, including my boss, is quite happy. And 8 months later, this happens. I'm relaxing in my bed and the opportunities, promotions, salary hike are knocking at my door. Do you even think that happens anytime in your life? The last slide is a joke, but I hope I conveyed my story. Thank you.